Your timing belt does a very important job. It keeps the valves and camshaft moving in time with the crank and pistons. These components need to work together with precision for your engine to run well. Timing belts all wear out with time and usage, even if there are no visible signs of wear. That's why it's recommended they be replaced at the mileage intervals outlined by the manufacturer. When a timing belt breaks, your engine won't run. In many engines, a broken timing belt can lead to catastrophic engine damage, costing thousands of dollars to repair. We recommend you to replace your timing belt according to the schedule, along with a tensioner that makes sure the belt operates at the proper tension without slipping.